electric field at a point due to a system of charges. Let us consider a system of point charges plus Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3 plus Q4 and plus Q5 kept in vacuum medium of absolute permittivity epsilon naught. Let us get an expression for electric field at point P due to the system of charges. Q1 is at a distance R1 from point P, Q2 is at a distance R2, Q3 is at a distance R3, Q4 is at a distance R4 and Q5 is at a distance R5 from the point P, where we calculate the electric field due to the system of charges. Let E1 be the electric field at P due to plus Q1 charge. What is meant by the term electric field? Electric field is the force experienced by a unit positive charge placed at that point. So at P, if we keep a unit positive charge, it will be repelled with a force E1 due to plus Q1 charge. So what is E1? We know E1 is a vector quantity, it has got direction. E1 equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 by R1 square into unit vector R1 along the direction R1, unit positive charge is repelled by plus Q1 charge. Similarly, E2 equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q2 by R2 square into unit vector R2. Vector E3 equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q3 by R3 square into unit vector R3. E4 equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q4 by R4 square into unit vector R4. Then what is E5? Similarly, E5 is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q5 by R5 square into unit vector R5. So if E is the net field, net electric field at point P due to the system of all these 5 charges. So what is the net electric field E? E equal to, at point, net electric field E equal to vector sum of all these electric fields plus E4 plus E5. Substituting 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 by R1 square into unit vector R1 plus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q2 by R2 square into unit vector R2 plus etc. E3, E4 plus E5. That is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q5 by R5 square into unit vector R5. If we take 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught common out of the bracket, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q1 by R1 square into unit vector R1 plus Q2 by R2 square into unit vector R2 plus etc. plus Q5 by R5 square into unit vector R5. If there are n number of charges at point P, let En be the net electric field, En equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q1 by R1 square into unit vector R1 plus Q2 by R2 square into unit vector R2 plus etc. plus Qn by Rn square into unit vector Rn, or it can be written as 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into summation of Qi by Ri square into unit vector Ri, where I can have value starting from 1 to n, which is the electric field at point P due to a system of n number of charges, n number of point charges placed in vacuum medium. Thank you.